is a GMAT question. So in my channel, I'll be teaching you a lot of GMAT problems. This is one of those questions. So today we want to solve this inequality. Now, when they give you something like this, what do? Let me show you what to do. Now, when they give you a question like this, the first thing that should come to your mind is this. Watch. There is a rule, and that rule is called absolute value inequality rule. That's the name of the rule. Absolute value inequality rule. What does that mean? You see this word absolute value, that's this bar. These two bars means absolute value. So anytime you hear absolute value, it means these two bars, okay? Now, inequality is because I have this symbol there. But you see this rule, I'm going to break it down for us. And for me, I'm going to call it sandwich rule. I'll call it what? Sandwich rule. Remember, this is a standard rule, but I'm going to call it what? A sandwich rule. So when I give you something like this, what are you supposed to do? Let me explain. Now, let me clean this first of all for more space. So whenever you see a question like this, the first step is that come here and check. Come here and do what? And check. Is this less than? Now, the moment this place is less than, you know what to do? Just bring this 15 backwards, but make it negative. Make it what? Negative. So watch, this will become minus 15, then less than. So this thing, this absolute sign will disappear, okay? It will disappear. Remember, once you check, this is less than, 15 will come here as negative 15. Then this one will become what? 3x plus 9 less than what? 15. Yes. Can you see now that it's sandwich now? Guess what? I'm looking for this, right? So that means what I will do now is I will remove 9. Now, how do you think I'm going to remove 9? This is plus 9. So the only way I can remove 9 is to what? Subtract 9. Okay. So to do that, I'm going to subtract. That's the word. I'm going to subtract 9 everywhere. So let me start from here. I have minus 15 minus 9. Then the second part, that is 3x plus 9 minus 9. What about this other part? That is 15 minus 9. Guess what? This will cancel first. So 3x is alone, right? The next one is this guy. What is minus 15 minus 9? That will give you what? Minus 24. So let me write it here. Minus what? 24. And what about this side? This side we have 3x. So here we have what? 3x. Then what about this side? This side we have 15 minus 9. What's 15 minus 9? We have 6. Now I'm looking for what? I'm looking for the value of x. So what I will do now is that I will divide through by 3. If I do so, I'm going to get minus 24 over 3. I'm going to get 3x over 3. I'm going to get 6 over 3. Now this will cancel, you have minus 8. This will cancel, you have x. And this will cancel, you have 2. And this is the final answer. So I think with this, you should be fine. So I'm going to see you again in my next video.